Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can buy avatars on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. You're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and right here you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, go ahead and click on your profile icon, then click on profile. Once you do that, right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to edit your profile. Click on edit profile, and then you can go to avatar. And right here, as you can see guys, just wait a little bit. And then as you can see guys, right here, you're gonna find all of your avatars. Here you're gonna find premium avatars, action and adventure, characters, and so on. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the sections. There isn't actually a way to buy avatars on the PlayStation 5 anymore. Back in the day, we were able to buy avatars from the PlayStation Store, but unfortunately right now it was removed with the PlayStation 5. If you bought an avatar before on the PlayStation 4, you will find it right here available with your avatars, but if you want new avatars, you basically can't. You will only find the basic avatars and your old avatars. For example, if I go to the PlayStation Store, right here, if I search for avatar, I won't find a result. For example, I'm gonna search avatar like this. And as you can see guys, you won't find the avatars. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.